if you don't care about the cultural component, if you don't care about the erasure, if you don't care about the heritage, there is something that you should care about, which is, specifically in this part of the city, we are talking about a demographic takeover, a complete demographic change, not simply in culture and skin color, but rather in religious beliefs. There has been an explosion in Muslim population. In this city, we have people who publicly say that it is their eventual dream or goal to impose Islamic law, to impose Sharia law, to force people like me to be quiet or to be... Because I'm an ex-Muslim, because I left Islam and I speak about it.
There's a new battle on the streets of Britain, fought with flags and calls for deportations and fear-mongering about immigrants.
Setidaknya ada 100 hingga 150 orang memenuhi jalanan kota London, Inggris. Aksi protes yang disebut sebagai aksi kebebasan berbicara sangat kental dengan slogan-slogan penolakan terhadap segala sesuatu berkaitan dengan imigran dan Islam.
They have attacked the family, they've attacked Christianity, they've opened the borders, they've flooded our nations. They managed to silence us for 20 years with labels. Racist, Islamophobe, far right. They don't work anymore.
Namun sayangnya, banyak para demonstran yang mengikuti aksi itu tidak benar-benar memahami apa yang mereka gaungkan. Perempuan yang menolak daging halal ini misalnya, ia bahkan tidak tahu definisi daging halal itu sendiri.
What does that say?
This says
I don't want halal.
halal meat.
Could you explain what halal means?
Well, halal meat is I don't quite know, but it's called
Oh, so you don't want something you don't quite know. Well, halal meat is amazing. It's the best source of meat out there,
But
apparently.
they said they're called the animals, so I'm not down with that. Yes, God made the creatures, but He didn't want them to be mistreated.
But doesn't any animal, doesn't matter how much is slaughtered, it still gets mistreated. It gets eaten and taken out of our anuses.
Terlepas dari penolakan tersebut, tampaknya cahaya Islam jauh dari kata padam. Tidak sedikit warga Inggris yang tertarik mempelajari Islam, bahkan akhirnya menjadi seorang Muslim.
We're now observing an incredible stream of men, women, children heading towards prayer. Today is Friday, so that's the reason the mosque is so active today. And I checked the mosque website. This is one of the only mosques in the UK which is allowed to perform the adhan, the call to prayer. So the United Kingdom, for about 1,000 years after it became Christian, you could hear church bells. Now in the beating heart of London, just next to Canary Wharf, just next to the financial capital, one of the financial capitals of the world, you can hear the Muslim call to prayer.
My name's Abdul Shakur. I've been Muslim for 2 months now. Alhamdulillah.
My name's Abdul Rahim. I've been Muslim for 3 years. Alhamdulillah.
My name's Abdullah. I'm British and I've been a Muslim for 10 years. Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
Whoa. Come back. You didn't think that was it, brother. Turn the camera. Alhamdulillah. My name is Dan. I've been a Muslim for 2 years. Alhamdulillah.
My name is Mehdi. I've been Muslim for 25 years. Alhamdulillah.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Bahkan anak perempuan bernama Cherry ini menangis ingin menjadi seorang Muslim karena melihat teman sekelasnya berhijab.
What's wrong, Cherry?
I want to be a Muslim. My friend is a Muslim.
Your friend is a Muslim because your friend's mom and dad is Muslims.
You're not a Muslim.
You're a Christian.
You're Christian, yeah?
So, drink the orange juice and come, man. Everything in the ball for.
Mummy.
No,
Yeah? What do you want it for? Show me what. Give it. Let me see what she's gonna do with it. Give it to her. Let me see what she's gonna do.
She'll put it over her head for you go to school with it.
And then go to bring it back.
When you come home, you can put it over your head. When you come home.
Cherry.
Yeah, I don't know I'm doing it.
Cherry. Shush.
I'm sorry, when you come later, you can be a Muslim. Come. You come.
Kedua orang tuanya akhirnya luluh dan menuruti permintaan sang anak, meski mereka adalah penganut Kristen.
Oh, what your dad said when you get home you could be a Muslim. Why can't she wear it to school? Look at me, Cherry.
Anytime she awake, you are drop her at school.
Cherry, look.
Sang ibu mengaku terbuka untuk mempelajari Islam.
Be open to learning about Islam, 100%. I was just on the phone telling my nan stuff. I said, Nan, it's a mosque, it's okay. I was like, Nan, do you know, in Islam they believe in the Bible. Because they say it's the Bible and then the Quran. And I said the only thing is different is I think it's the Trinity. And she was like, yeah, that's true. And I said, and they believe you're only supposed to pray to God. And I said, you know God, Allah only means God in Arabic, if I'm correct. She was like, yeah, she said it means God. And then she said, which is true. She said, because Catholics pray to Mary and everything, and she was like, but you are only supposed to pray to God. So yeah.
Dalam berbagai kesempatan, mereka bahkan mengantar putrinya berangkat ke masjid untuk belajar Islam.
Taking my little daughter to the mosque to get a bit of education about Islam.
Come, let's go.
All right.
In the school for girls, age 11 to 16, 17. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, this is a moment. It's really nice.
Hello.
Come on then. Was it good? Do you know what that is beside you?
Yeah.
What is it?
Mat.
And what are you meant to do on the mat?
You need to put your hand here, and your feet here, and your forehead here.
Yeah, and what do?
You need to listen to it.
Listen to it.
You know prayers.
Prayers?
Yeah.
You say your prayers to it? That's good, isn't it? Oh.
Tidak disangka, video Cherry yang menangis meminta hijab ramai mendapat sambutan positif di media sosial. Muslim dari berbagai dunia secara khusus memberikan berbagai macam hadiah ke gadis kecil itu.
And look who I met. I hope you guys know who she is. Mashallah. Hey, what's your name?
Cherry.
Cherry. Do you know who she is? Yeah? How old are you now?
5.
She's already 5. Mashallah, tabarakallah. That's amazing. She's the little girl who cried to wear the hijab. Remember, she told her mom, mashallah, tabarakallah.
My friend.
Because of your friends? Do you love the hijab?
Yeah.
You look so gorgeous in this hijab, mashallah. And that's her mom, mashallah, tabarakallah. How are you, sister?
I'm fine, thank you.
Mashallah, lovely to have brought your little one to the masjid today.
Yeah, and lovely to meet you.
Barakallah, lovely to see you. Barakallah fiqh, mashallah. There we go.
Hanan said, listen to what Hanan said. Hanan said, hey pretty girl, may Allah bless you, protect you always and guide you. May He fill your heart with happiness and your life with endless blessings and abundance. P.S. You have the best mummy and daddy. Thank you so much.